Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to capture screenshots instantly with Firefox. You can take screenshots to capture visible parts of web pages or even full web pages and copy or save these images. To open this tool, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S. When you move the mouse cursor over the page, different parts of the page will be automatically highlighted. Click on the one you want to save. 3 options here: cancel, copy, and download. If you click the download button, the file will be saved to the same folder you use as Firefox's default download location. Click the copy button to save the image on your clipboard and paste it into another application later. If you like to capture a full page, select Save Full Page from the menu in the upper right. If you like to capture a region of the page, click and drag on the page to select a custom region that you wish to capture. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.